So let's be honest, all this gray stuff on the car is not appealing. No one's gonna look at the car and be like, dang, that's an amazing looking car. It looks great. I love the gray on it. It looks ugly when it fades over time. Plenty of cars are like this and they come from the factory looking perfect, but sun fade damages it. We're gonna repurpose our black molding on our S60 and make it look brand new. We're gonna show you the process and everything that goes along with it. Just stay tuned and enjoy the ride. So you're probably wondering what's a good method to be able to restore the black trim on your car. And there's a lot of different ways you can do it. You can do it with a blowtorch, as seen here. They're just taking the blowtorch, they're heating it up, and it's bringing the oil back up from the plastic and actually making it shiny again. That's a good way to do it, but very time consuming. You can get oil-based black trim restore. Basically, I'll do the same thing. I'll just apply oil, make it shiny, but that only lasts, you know, occasionally every couple months and it goes away after a while. Or you can do what we're doing. You can take this trim and bumper paint. Obviously, you have to tape it off like we're doing right now. It definitely looks a lot better over time. It says renews and protects, flexible finish, excellent adhesion. This video is not sponsored by Duplicolor, but we're using this because it's one of the better brands and we'll just see how it turns out.
So right now, guys, I'm pretty much trying to get a little faster with this by putting the tape on the paper. If I had a roll spreader for like the body work, the correct way of doing things, it would be a little easier. Since we got such wide door panels, we got to take this tape, use the straight line as we possibly can, and we're gonna tuck it in a groove and mask off the car.
So another big thing you guys want to do when you're masking everything off is make sure to get spots where overspray might actually draw onto your car's paint. And if you do get overspray on places, you can always clay bar it off. Whenever you're masking stuff off, just get good area coverage, make sure everything's covered you don't want paint on. The results come out like you want. Now after a couple hours of masking, because it does take a while, you want to be precise with your areas where you put tape and paper. We're actually starting to spray, but it's getting dark outside. But it looks 1,000 times better, even just by spraying it. Here we have a part that we haven't sprayed yet. It still looks very white and gray. And then just looking on the side where the new spray is, you can see it looks entirely better. A much needed update, and it's definitely going to make the car look even more brand new than it is. It's gonna look 1,000 times better.
Oh, for no question. It's already getting there. Oh yeah.
Looks like a completely different car.
Oh yeah, and it's just the first coat. We got another coat, 2 more to go.
And just look at that. 1,000 times better. Dude, it looks like a completely different car.
Man, that's a good idea there, wasn't it? But just do that, boy.
And most of you guys that actually see some overspray spots, obviously you can go over, like we said before, with clay bar or some solvent to get that overspray off. It'll happen. It's kind of inevitable unless you cover the entire car. You go through every little spot and corner and making sure that it's covered, but it happens and there's ways to get it off. So if you have that issue, don't worry about it. You can always fix it.
I don't know what y'all see, but I see what I see. And I see what I see. And I see is this fresh paint on this bumper. Look at that, boy. That boy look brand new.
It just looks so different.
Look at that trim, boy. It looks good. So on that note, your boy Big Reek, your boy Tyler behind that camera, and we will get it and we out.